Here's my big boy 4012 running on the N-scale layout. I don't have the mountaintops because they're actually being sceneried. These are the new cars I have gotten. They're Kato or Kato brand for the big boy. If you hear another steam engine in the background, well, you're correct. And it is right over there. It is a Pennsylvania steam locomotive. Big boy's coming around the turn here. The 4012 big boy steam engine, I believe by Athearn. Approaching its tunnel with no top. The other train's approaching its tunnel with no top. So technically they're kind of passing each other right here, as you can see. Big boy also has sound. They pass each other just out here every single loop. Big boy just derailed. Nighttime running. Over the bridge, here we go. Train really lights up the bridge for sure. Coming out of the dark tunnel. Campground lights in the camper. I don't know why it's not focusing. You got the red lights back there. Here comes the train around. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Train going around in the dark. Ooh, spooky. There's the lights in the campground. The cabin's lit up, as you can see. Train's looping itself around in the dark. I don't know if you can see up, but you can see it. There's the cabin that's lit up below. Pretty cool. See if I can get a shot of that in there real quick. Apparently there's actually tracks right there, but yep, that's a cabin that's lit up. The train is way over there. Train's gonna come right out of the tunnel. You can see the light through the tunnel already. Here it comes. Hopefully it won't hit my phone. You actually see it from the other tunnel. Haha, how about that? Alright, here it comes. Uh-oh, it's not going to focus. Why are you not focusing?